Welcome to the Rosetta Stone platform. This video tutorial explains how to access the Rosetta Stone language learning platform. Let's start by activating your academic account. First, you will need to go to the my.umi.sa.ma platform. On the screen, you will see a red button indicating Recover My Academic Account. Click on this button and fill in the form with the correct information. Your student code, national identity code, the year of birth, as well as the year you obtained the baccalaureate. Click on the Next button and the Finish button while personalizing your password. Your password has now been changed and your academic account successfully activated. Once you have retrieved your academic account, you will receive a welcome email. Click on Start Now to continue. You can then set your personal password, audio type, and time zone. Accept the terms of use and click on the Accept and Continue button. Now, you can take the positioning test to assess your language skills by clicking on the Start Test button. Once you have passed your French positioning test, you can switch to the English version by clicking on your session name at the top of the screen and select the My Profile section. Find the Change Language option. Click on it to open the language settings and choose English as the learning language. Click on the Change Language button to make the change. Once you have made the change, you can take the tests in English and continue learning in that language. Please note that the test lasts around 30 to 45 minutes and includes a variety of activities designed to test your vocabulary, reading comprehension, and listening skills. Headphones are advisable for listening activities. Good luck learning with Rosetta Stone!